rabbits, no blue squirrels, no blue dogs. Even blue whales aren't that blue. Animals come in pretty much every color, but blue seems to be the rarest. What's cool though is when we do find a blue animal, they're awesome looking. Nature doesn't do halfway with blue.
Blue so rare nature? Wait, I'm trying to think of what is blue nature. Guys, welcome back to another video. So we're recapping about why is blue in nature so rare. But I found out, look at the sky is blue. The sky is part of nature. It's blue. So, yeah.